So hello student, namaskar everyone. So hopefully your preparation for Navodaya and Sainik, that is Sainik exam for 5th, right, which is on April 5th, is going well. Yes, is everyone preparing well?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone is confident. Yes, we will get selected, isn't it? Yes, very good. You should be getting selected. So all the best for your exams. Now we'll be solving the practice set, that is for Arihant, from the Arihant, right? So that is practice set 12 we will be solving. Okay, let us see. This is the first, isn't it? So the first question, what is the first question? So here the first question is this, right? So if you see what will happen here, we have to use BODMAS rule and then solve it. So BODMAS rule, for this we have to apply numerator separately and denominator separately. So let us write it. I will do it here only. So 2 division first we have to do. 2 how much are 4? 2 2s are 4, and then remaining is 2 into 3 here. 2 into 3 here now. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 3 is how much? Yes, 9 will come in the numerator. I have done directly. That's how you should do in the exam. Now here 3 into 2 is how much? 6. 6 divided by 3 is, yes, 3 2s are 6. 3 3 cancels. So 2 is remaining. 4 plus 2 will come. 4 plus 2 is how much? 6 here. I hope you understand, right? Otherwise let me do it clearly. Okay, so 3 plus 4 divided by 2 into 3 divided by how much? That is 4 plus 3 into 2 divided by 3. This 3 3 cancels, then that is in multiplication division, right? Or if you want, you are getting confused with 3 into 2 divided by 3, we can write this divided by, right? So that will also be the same. Okay, and then 2 2s are 4, so remaining is 3 plus 2 into 3 is 6 divided by this 3 cancels, so 4 and 2 is remaining. 4 plus 2, so here 9 by 6 means how much it is? That is, it will go how much? 3 2s are 3 3s are, so that is 3 by 2. Answer is option D. Understood? Very easy question. Okay, should we go next? What is the smallest number which when divided by these numbers leaves remainder 2? In each case, when divided by 7 leaves nothing. So I told you how to do this. When there is like this type of questions, we have to take which will be divided by these numbers, means we have to take what? HCF or LCM? You have to take HCF. HCF, huh? No, not HCF. LCM you have to take, because it is divided by these numbers. This is divided by these numbers, means it should be multiple of these, right? 5 2s are 10. 10 will be divided by 5, right? Here 5 is there. So like that, if you take HCF, now 12 is there, nothing will come. 12 and 5, 1 will come. LCM, HCF, so not possible. LCM you have to take. Divided by, when it is divided by, remember, when it is divided by, what you have to take? You have to take LCM. Okay, so let's take LCM of these numbers. That is what? 5 10 12 15. Okay, so we will take the LCM of these numbers first, and remainder in each case 2, but when divided by 7 leaves nothing is the answer, right? So if you take, what will be the answer here? So if you take the LCM of these numbers, so that is, if you divide with 5, 5 ones are 5 2s are, and then 5 we cannot divide, so 5 3s are 15. After that, here how much? So it will be, again we have to divide with 2. 1 2 ones are 2, 2 how much are 12, 2 6 are 3 as it is, then 3 we have to divide, right? It will be 1 1, and then 3 2s are 3 ones are. Okay, wait ಸರಿ ಹೇಳು ಸರ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಸರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೋಗಿ. Yes, so after that we have to divide with 2. Okay, yes,
we will get 60.
so we will get 60 here. Okay, understand? So 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. So 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 2s are 60 you will get. 60 means to that now this number 90 is not multiple of 60, so not possible, right? And then so 172 is not multiple of 60, not possible. So that is when you minus 2, when you minus 2, because 2 is the remainder, right? Yes, yes. So 182 is there, so 63 is a 182. When you minus 2 you will get 180. So now check with 7 divisibility. 7 how much is 7 2 is 14, 2 will be that is 4 will be remaining, 7 6 is 42. So 26 it is completely divisible. So answer is option C. Understand? Instead of doing this much bigger, what you should do, you should go with options. What you should do, go with options. Okay, go with options. This is the second question, this is the first question, right? Okay, so go with options. If you take 91, if you take 91,
Sir, we should divide with 7.
10, try to divide with 10, it will be easy. 10 is there, right? 10 you divide it, because when divided with 10, what should be the remainder? 2 should be the remainder, right? So remainder should be 2. Yes, so 91 is there. When you divide 91 with 10, remainder will be 1. 10 9s are 90, right? Remainder will be 1, not possible. If you take 172 divide with 10, it will remainder will be 2. But here what will happen? Yes, you try to divide with any other number, that is 7. So if you divide 172 with 7, what will be the answer? 7 2s are 14, 3 will be remaining, 7 32 will not come. So there will be how much remainder? 7 4s are 28. So 28 means 4 will be remaining. So 4 means there should be 0 remainder. When leaves no remainder they are telling when divided by 7, right? So that is why not possible. So 182 if you divide, it will come answer. Understand? Go with options, easy peasy. Understand? You don't have to do any other thing. Okay, fine. Now what about the third question here? Yes.
Sir, on doubt. Sir, sir,
What?
we should divide with 7 or 10, sir.
Which is easy first? 10 is easy or 7 is easy?
10.
10 is easy, you divide with 10, then you go with 7. Otherwise if you want 7, you divide with 7 only, nothing will happen. Understand? Whichever is fine, any you do, you will get the same.
Answer?
You will get the same answer. Okay, whichever you do. Got it? Okay. Okay. Now let's go next to third question. Okay, so let's go to next third question. So what is the third question? Next term 6 11 21 this. So what will be the next term here? That is how much we have to add. Here we are adding 5 plus 5, next plus 10, next plus 15, next plus 20, next plus 25, next plus how much? 30. So 81 plus 30 is 111, option D. Okay, next, one apple means 30 boxes. Okay, so they are asking study which represent the sale of the apples in 4 days of a week. Okay, so if you go next here, what is the question here? If after 4 days how many apples are remaining? 60 apple boxes are left, then the number of apple boxes are initially. This type of questions we did in that is Navodaya also, isn't it? So what it will be? Total how many are sold? Total how many are sold here? So total how many are sold? So here 4, here how much? 5, here 3, here 2. So total how many are sold? Yes, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3
14. Sir, 14.
12 plus 2 14. Okay, so 14 boxes are sold, that is apples are there. So 14 means total how many boxes? One apple means how much? 30. So this is apples, 14 apples. So 14 apples into how much? It is
30.
30. 14 apples into 30. And in after that, how many are remaining? Yes, 60 are left after 4 days. Yes,
Yes, sir.
60 apples are remaining. So that also we have to take. Okay, if you take that also, what will be the total now?
Sir, 14 threes are
14 3 is a 420. 420 plus 60 is 480 boxes. 480 means option will be option. Yes, A. Understand?
A.
Okay. So that is the answer here. Now see the next question, that is fifth question. So they are telling bells. 3 bells ring 20, 30 and 60 minutes respectively. They started ringing simultaneously at 3 p.m. What will be the next
Sir,
time
we should
when
take
they ring
LCM.
simultaneously? Simultaneously means I told, we have to take
Yes,
LCM. LCM of what? That is 20 minutes,
20 and 60.
30 minutes and 60 minutes all. So it will be how
Yes,
much
sir.
minutes? 60 minutes, because 23 is a 60, 32 is a 60. So it will be 60 minutes LCM. I am directly writing. Okay. 60 minutes means 1 hour. Right? 1
Yes,
hour
sir.
means how much will be the next time when it will ring?
4. 4
Yes. So 3 p.m. to 1 hour means it is 4 p.m. Okay. So that is
Yes, sir.
option B here. Very easy, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next here, that is sixth question. So what is it? If 1550 divided by how much? 40, right, is given, is 38.75. What they are asking? 1550
Excuse me, sir.
divided by 40. Yes, ma, 38.75. Now we have to
Sir,
find
10
for
to 20
15 point.
40
Wait, wait.
minutes I'll join again, sir.
Ha. Okay. Wait. Listen. Yes. What is there?
Sir,
Tell
10
me.
to 20 minutes I'll.
So here now we have to convert this into this. Okay. So what is happening here? 1010 you cancel it, right? So this means 15.5 na, divided by 4. 50 means if you remove also nothing will happen. So it is both are same only, right? So we have to cancel 0. 155 divided by 4 into 38.75 will come. Now one decimal point if you shift, here also we have to shift one decimal point. So it will be 15.5 divided by 4 is equal to 33.875. What will be the answer we need? This is the answer we need, isn't it?
3.875.
3.875, option B.
Option B.
Understood? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next here, seventh
Sir,
question.
1 minute. Can you show the question?
Huh.
Question.
Now next question, that is what? Yes, seventh one. In a question of division, if divisor is 35, quotient is 15, remainder is 7, then the number will be. It is very easy. Will you do it? Homework.
Sir, give
It is
homework.
easy. Homework. Okay, easy. A shopkeeper bought how much? That is 3 dozen pencil at rate of 25 rupees per dozen. If he sells them at 3 pencils, 3 rupees per pencil, what is the profit he will earn? So 3 dozens are there. Now let us find the cost price first, right? So here, 8th question, cost price. So how many dozens are there? 3 dozens are there. How many rate? What is the rate? 25 rupees. Rupees 25. So it will be 75 rupees. Rupees 75 for 3 dozens. Yes, isn't it? So into 3 dozens into rupees 25 means it is 325 is a 75 rupees he took. And selling price. So 3 dozens means how many will be there? 3 twos are 3 12s are total
12
36
threes
or 12 threes are 36. Okay. So 3 dozens means
36.
36 into what is the rate each pencil, because they have given each pencil, so we have to find
Three
total
pencils.
36 pencils, so rupees 3. So total will be how much here?
So
20
36 into 3.
36 into 3, 108 rupees. 108 rupees. So he took
Eight.
for how much? 75 rupees
75.
and sold for how much? 108. So
108.
what is the profit? It is 25 plus 8, because 75 to 100, 25. 25 plus 8, 33.
25 plus 8.
33 rupees is the profit. Or you can minus, selling price minus cost price you can do, you will get the same. Okay na?
Sir,
Understand? Yes?
Sir,
So this is the cost price and this is the selling price. Okay, so that is 108 minus 75, you will get 33 rupees as the profit. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, 1 minute. Wait.
Okay, so next here, that is, what is the question here? Ninth question, isn't it? Yes. So it is a bus left Delhi for Bhopal at 8:15. It reached. It took 7 hours 35 minutes. What time did the bus reach? So what time? 8:45 a.m. to how much? 7 hours 35. So if you add, it will be how much? 0, 1 carry 5. Here how much? 15. 15:30 means how much days? 3 hours. That is, we have to minus 12 here. If you minus 12, it will be 24-hour clock. This is the 24-hour clock. We have to minus 12. You will get 3 hours 50 minutes. That is PM. Understand? Yes? D answer. Okay? Good. Next here. 10th question. What is the 10th question? A rectangular lawn 15 meter by 35 meter has two roads, each 4 meter wide, running in the middle of the lawn. One parallel to the length and the other parallel to the breadth. The area of the both roads. So means it is what? If this is the rectangular lawn, that is the like a garden. This is one middle road and this is one middle road. Two roads are running in between. Width is how much? 4 meter. This is also 4 meter and this is also 4 meter. Okay na? This is how it will be. Understand? So we have to find the area of both the roads. So this whole thing we have to find it. So here length is how much? Length is 55 and breadth is 35. So this is 55 and this total is 35. Okay. So it will be how much now? Area of roads. There are two roads. Yes. There are how many roads? Two roads are there. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Two roads means two roads are there, but they are different. So this is 4 meter into 35 meter, and here 4 meter into how much? This is length 35. That is 55, right? Yes. Isn't it? So here 35 into 4, this is this side, that is this side. Okay, 35 into 4 for this road. Okay, understand? For this road length is 4 and 35 is the height, and plus one more road is there, right? Isn't it? So what is the one more road? Plus one more road is 55 into 4, this road. Okay, so 55 into 4, this length into breadth. But in the middle, that is coming 2 times, right? Isn't it? This in the middle is there, right? It is coming 2 times. We are taking for this time also and for this side also. We are taking 2 times. So we have to remove 1 time, minus it 1 time. So what is the length and breadth here? Length is also 4 meter, breadth is also 4 meter for this middle. Yes, this is in the road. Yes, isn't it? Cross section, that is 4 meter. Both is, this is also 4, this is also 4 meter. Okay na? So 4 meter means we have to minus how much? 4 into 4, length into breadth. Both side is 4. So length into breadth we have to minus it. Okay, understand? Yes. So then what will we answer? 35 4s are 140 plus 55 4s are how much? Yes, 220 minus 16. So if you do it, you will get the answer. Yes, so that is 360 minus 16 will be how much? Yes, 344. Yes, answer is option D. Got it? How to do? So this is, if you want, this is road 1, this is road 2, this is middle. Okay, in the middle red part is there, right? Red middle. Okay, understand? So that is the answer. So if you take, this is the road 2. Okay, and this is the road 1. Got it? Any doubt how to do? No doubt? Okay, so next let us go to, that is 11th question. What is the 11th question? Surface area of this cuboid. This is like a cuboid. Length, breadth, height, all are same. Surface area. What will be the surface area of cuboid? Tell me. Formula.
Into B into H side.
That is what? That is volume. 2 times. That's why I told you to read daily formulas. Length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So this is how you have to remember. Length, breadth, height. Length into breadth into height, right? Length into breadth, breadth into height, height into length. Like this. That will be easy. All we have to multiply. Okay na? So here 2 into, here this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Okay? Yes. So length is how much? 10. Length is 10. 10 into 4, and then plus 4 into 3 plus 3 into 10 length. Okay na? That is, this is length is how much? That is 10 and 4 and 3. Okay? Got it? Yes? Okay. So if you multiply 2 into how much? 40, here 12, here 30. 40 plus 12, yes? 40 plus 12, 52. 52 plus 13, 82. 82 2 is 164. So answer is option A here. Got it? Very easy. Huh? Now, next, 12th one question. Okay, any doubt? Let me know. So A, B together can do piece of work in 30 days. They work together for 20 days. Calculate the remaining work. Right? So how much will be remaining? Yes. So A, B together can do work in 30 days. Right? So if you minus it, now total work, that is total work completed, how much it will be? Right? So 20 days. 20
So
days
many into days, many.
divided by total is how much? 30. Right? 30 is total days. Okay? They worked for how many days? 20 days. Divided by total 30 days. 20 divided by 30. That is the complete. Okay? That is the completed. Okay? Out of 30, how much is completed? 20. Out of 30, 20 is completed. Or 20 out of 30. That is 20 marks out of 30 marks. Right? Like that. 20 days is completed out of 30 days. Isn't it? So remaining, if you want to find remaining, what you have to do? Total. When it is a fraction, total will be how much? Tell me. Total will be 1. So total minus completed we have to do. So total when it is a fraction will be 1. 1 minus this 0 0 cancels. So 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 means if you take LCM it will be 1. You have to multiply 3. 1 3 is a 3. 3 minus 2 how much? 1. 1 by 3 is work remaining. 1 by 3 means option B. Understood? Yes? Any doubt? Matadi, speak. Yes, so here next question is what? That is 13th. So a 2-digit smallest prime number. Direct question it is. What is the answer? 2 digit smallest prime number is 11, option B, right? Next is 80,905 can be written 80,905 is option B, right? Very easy. 15. Which of the following represent the correct ascending order? Ascending means increasing, small to big, right? So I told you what we have to do. We have to multiply with 100 and find the answer. That will be easy. Or these are all 17, direct it is. The denominators all are 17. So which is the smallest? 5 by 7 is the smallest. So 5 by 7, which option? Option 17, that is 5 by 17. Which option? Option C, direct. 5, 9, 10, 8. Not 10,
Sir,
8.
option
8.
D no, sir.
Sorry. 10, not 10, 8. Wrong. So that is 5, 8, 9, 10. Yes, that is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, option D. Understand? Because here it is wrong. Okay, good. Next, it is what question? 16, isn't it? What is the 16 question? Yes. What must be added to each term of the ratio so that it becomes 4 by 5? Directly go with option. What we have to do? 19 by 29 is the ratio. So what we have to add here? Means each term means plus this much, 19 plus how much, 9 and 29 plus how much, will get answer 4 by 5. So let us go with option A, right? So if you take option A, that is 21. Let's add 21 now. So 19 plus 21 divided by 29 plus 21, it will be how much answer? Yes, it is 40 divided by how much? 29 plus 21 is how much? Yes, how much? Reply. 50. So if you cancel 0, 0, you will get 4 by 5, right? That is the answer, option A. That is only the correct. Okay, na? Understand? Okay. So now let's go to the next, that is 17th. Simplify this. Okay. So here 25% of x. 25% of x means 25 by 100 into x is equal to 2 by 5 of 45. 2 by 5 of means into here. So 5 how much? 5 9s are 45. So what is remaining? 2 into 9. 2 into 9 is 18. 18 plus 72. So if you do it, x, if you take it that side, it will be reciprocal. So x is equal to, so 18 plus 29, 72 is how much? That is 90. 90 into this will reciprocal 100 divided by 25, or you can take cancellation, that is 1 by 4 will come, or 25 4s are 100, right? If it is goes that side, reciprocal 100 by 25, isn't it? So 94s is how much? 360 is the answer. Option is option A. Got it? Very easy questions are there, isn't it? So now 18th question, isn't it? So what is it? So find the distance covered by bus moving at 30 meter per second for 4 hours. So here 4 hours means how many seconds? Yes, don't try to convert it into kilometer per hour, it will take lots of time. So here 30 meter per second is there. So distance means how do we find? Speed into time. So speed is 30 meter per second into time is 4 hours. 4 hours means how many seconds? 60 minutes and 60 seconds. This much we have to multiply, that is 3600. 1 hour means 3600 seconds. We have to multiply that, or 60 into 60, both will be same only. Okay, 60 into 60, 6 6 are 36, 0 0. Now if you multiply, you will get the answer. 36 3s are 108. 108 4s are how much? 432. So 432 kilometer it will be answer, because 2 zeros and 1 0, it will be kilometer. Okay, 432 option is option A. Got it? Yes. Next 19th. Book were bought for 3000 and sold for 3600. Find the gain percentage. That is 3000 to how much? 3600. How much more? That is the profit is 600 more. So profit percentage, how do you find? Tell me. 600 rupees upon how much? 600 rupees on 3000 rupees. That is the
3,000.
what?
Into 100.
Huh. So that is profit divided by what?
CP into 100.
CP into 100%. So cancellation, you will get the answer as how much? 0 0 0 0 1 0 here, 1 0 here, 3 how much? 3 20 60. So 20% option B. Got it? Very easy questions. Now 20 question. Find the average of quantities A, B, C, D. How do you find the average? Average is equal to sum divided by
Total number.
total number. Sum of A, B, C, D will be A plus B plus C plus D.
C.
How many numbers are there? A, B, C, D means 4. 4 numbers. A, B, C, D divided by 4. Option is option D. Got it? 21 now. The rate of simple interest is 14% per annum. The amount that would fetch interest of 7,000 per annum is. Amount means principal, we have to find it. What is given? Yes, rate of interest 14% per annum. Yes, and amount that would fetch interest of 7,000 per annum means 1 year. How much? Time will be 1 year. Per annum means per means 1. Per annum they are telling. Per annum means 1 year. Every year 1 year. Okay na? So it will be, how do you find the principal? Say interest into, interest is 7,000 rupees. Interest is 7,000 rupees per annum rate, 7,000 rupees. Interest into 100 divided by P is there. In PTR, P is gone means you have to divide with TR. So interest is 7,000 into 100 divided by T is 1, rate of interest is 4. Now you cancel it out. 14 5s are 70. So 500 into 100. It will be how much? 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. 200 200. 50,000 is the answer, option D. Got it? Okay, or you can go with option wise. That is, for which answer, if you do PTR, this is principal. Find P into T, 1 year, into 14 divided by 100. If you do, you will get 7,000 rupees. You can go reverse like this, option wise. Okay now? PTR by 100. Next, 22. What is it? The angle of the triangles are in the ratio 1:1:1. Find the angle. All three are same. 1:1:1 means all are same. All same means which angle it is? Equilateral. Equilateral means how many degrees? 60 degree na? Or you can take 1 plus 1 plus 1. Total is 3. So 180 divided by how much? Share will be 180 divided by 3. That is 60 degree. You can do both. Yes. Equilateral means 60 degree, or add the ratio 3, then divide it, you will get 60 degree. Understand? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, good. Next 23 question. The perimeter of rectangular room is 300 meter. If the breadth of the room is 70, find the area of the room. First we have to find what length. Breadth is given. How much it is? That is, perimeter is given. Perimeter P is 300 and breadth is how much? 70 meter. How do you find the length? Length formula is, you can do both the ways, that is using that, or shortcut formula is perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. If you want to find breadth, perimeter by 2 minus length. If you want to find length, perimeter by 2 minus breadth. If it is length, you have to minus with breadth. If it is breadth, you have to minus with length. Understand? Okay. So it will be, length will be perimeter by 2. 300 by 2 minus breadth is how much? 70. So 300 by 2 is 150. Half. 300 half is 150 minus 70 is 80. Length is how much? 80. Now what they are asking? They are asking the area. They are asking what? Area. So let's find the area now. Area will be length into breadth. Length into breadth means length is, now you got here 80. 80 into breadth is 70 here. Okay. Now it will be how much? 8 7s are 56. 5600 meter square. Option is option E. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here what is the next question? That is 24th. Capacity of tank is 1000 kiloliter. 100 kiloliter. If the length and breadth of the tank are respectively 5 and 4 meter, find its depth. So this is tank capacity, means it is what? Yes, tell me. That is the volume. That is the volume. How do you find volume? Length into breadth into height, isn't it? 100 kiloliter. 1 kiloliter means how many meter cube? 1 meter cube. So 100 kiloliter means 100 meter cube. Huh?
Sir, your voice is. Yes, sir.
Yes, 100
Yes, sir.
meter cube means 100 meter cube means 100 kiloliter. Okay na?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Is it? Everyone?
No.
Join once again. Next here. So length is given respectively length and breadth. So first is length and then is breadth. Breadth is 4 meter. So length is 5 into 4 into height. Depth or height, both are same only. Divided is equal to 100. 5 4s are 20. 20 if you take that side, multiplication will become what? Division. So height is equal to 100 divided by how much? 20. 5 4s are 20. So 1 0 1 0 cancel. 2 5s are 10. So 5 meter is the height. What is the height? 5 meter. Option A. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's go next. That is what? 25th. So what is the answer? 25th. Yes. So other number is equal to, how do you find? They are asking LCM of two numbers is 105. HCF is 7. And then one number is, first number is 21. Other number. What will be the other number? HCF into LCM divided by how much? First number. Right? Yes. So HCF is how much? That is 7. Into LCM is how much? 105 divided by first number is, they have given, it is 21 divided by 21. 21 5 is how much? 105. 7 5 is it will be 35 is the answer. Okay na? That is option B. Got it? Now next, value of this. So this I will do directly. 0.1 into 0.001. So 1 into 1, 1 only. But here 2 decimal, here 1 decimal. Total 3 decimal. So 0.001 minus here 2 decimal, here 3 decimal. Total how many decimal? 5 decimal. So 0.00001. 5 decimal total. Right? Isn't it? Like this. If you minus, this is minus is there. Minus means it will be here nothing means 0 0 will be there. Right? So 0 minus how much? 1 is 9. Here how much will be remaining? 9 will be, that is 9 will be remaining. Here how much? 0 0 0. So that is 0. That is 5 decimal. 0 3 zeros and 2 nines. 3 zeros 2 nines. Which option? Option A. Okay na? No doubt here. It is easy. So I am not what explaining. Okay. So that is easy. Next here, it is also easy. 16 lakh 16,016. How much it will be? Yes, 16 lakh 16,016. This is the answer.
Option
Okay?
B, sir.
Yes. Now here, if x is to y is to y is to z, then the correct statement. I told you, means and extremes. Means means middle one. Middle one we have to multiply, and ends we have to multiply. So y into y. Y into y is equal to x into z. Y into y. 2 times means y square. Y square is equal to xz. Which option? Option
Option
D.
D.
Y square is equal to xz. Understand? Means and extremes. Very very easy. Okay na? Okay, next 29th question. Okay.
Sir, you asked your mic.
Yes, yes. So 29th question is what? A boy goes around a square field whose area is this much. He takes 4 rounds of the field. Distance covered by the boy. So when it is distance covered means where it will be go? He will go on the perimeter. That is the boundary. Right? Yes? Boundary, that is the perimeter. But what they have given? They have given the area. Area is how much? Yes, 212916, isn't it? Hmm? So they have given the area, that is in the inside 2916. We know area of square will be, yes, side into side, that is side square, isn't it? Yes, side into side, that is side square is 2916. So you have to take that side, means square root of 2916. Square root of 2916, how do you find? Tell me. Here, when it is given area for a square, we directly have to take square root. So 2916 square root will be how much? You take the factorization. What it will be? Factorization. You divide with 4. So 4 7s are 28. 1 will be remaining, 4 2s are, and 3s are, then 9. Right? Now 729 means which it will come 9 table. 9 how much are? 9 8s are, and 9 1s are, and again 9 9s are, and 9 1s are. Okay na? So it will be under root of how much? 4 into 9 into 9 into 9. Now here we know root of 4 is how much? 2. 2 square is 4 into 9 root is 3. 9 root is 3. 9 root is 3. So that is we are taking root. Okay na? So here it will be how much? 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 3s are 54. 54 is the answer. That is the side. 54 is the side. They are taking, he is going around how many rounds? 4 rounds. So total distance will be, that is 4 rounds. How many rounds? 4 rounds into how much? That is the perimeter. Okay. So perimeter, how do you find? 4 rounds into perimeter is 4 into side. 4 into side, directly I am taking 54. 4 into side means 54. So it will be how much? 54 4s are 216. 216 4s are 864. 864 is option A here. Got it? Understand? I have done a little lengthy. Directly when it is a square, when if you want to find the side, what you have to do? Side will be how? Yes? How it will be? Side will be root of this. Okay? Root of 2196. Root of 2196 you do like this with the factorization, and then perimeter means you find perimeter, and 4 times means multiply. Got it? Okay now. Now next question, that is 30. What is it? A person lends 80,000 from a bank. If the bank fixes the rate of interest at, yes, so 80,000 from a bank. If the rate bank fixes rate of interest 13 per annum, then the amount he has to pay back after 3 years. What will be the answer? Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. Direct. So principal is 80,000 into time is 3 years. Rate of interest is how much? 13%. So 3 years into rate of interest 13 divided by 100. Cancel 2 zeros, and then 8 3s are 24, or you multiply reverse. 13 3s are 39. 39 8s are, that is 48s are 32. So 39 8s is how much? Yes, that is 320 means, that is if you minus 8, that is 312, and how many zeros? That is 2 zeros. So that is, you multiply, you will get the answer. Okay. 39 8s are 39 8s are, right? So multiply it.
Sir, 312, sir. 39 8, sir. 312.
312. There is no answer. These are wrong answers. Is it? Amount. Oh, he has to pay amount, right? So that is, this is the interest, 31,200. They are asking amount. So amount means what we have to find? Principal plus
Simple
interest. So principal is 80,000 plus how much? 31,200. It will be how much total? 1 lakh. Yes,
Sir, 1 minute doing.
1,11,200 is the answer. Where is 200? 200 is in option C. So that is 200 option C means 1,11,000 is the answer. Okay. Okay. Now next 31. 21 boys could complete a work in 15 days. 10 boys. It is
Sir,
direct.
people into days, people into days.
People into days divided by people into days. So people is how many? 20 into 15 days divided by how much? 10. So 10 twos are and 15 twos are is how much? 30 days it will take. Option is option A. Okay now? Next 32. Virat Kohli in his 15th inning makes a score of 90 and thereby increases his average by 2. What is the average after 15th inning? Okay. Yes. So here if you see the question, 15th inning makes a score of 90 days. Now 15th inning he is making how much? Yes, 90 score. Right? But till 14th, till 14th, let's consider it is how much? X is the average. What is the average? X is the average. So that is in 15th inning average will become, that is, what will be the sum of 15th inning? Tell me. 15 into, that is to average into total number. Average is X here. X plus how much? 2 we have to do. That is the average increased by 2. Okay. Yes. So that is X plus 2. Average increased by 2 na? Average increased by 2. That is X plus 2.
Can't listen your voice, sir.
So that is average increased by 2 means X plus 2 average now, because it was X average before. X plus 2. So after that, into how many innings? That is the sum. Into how many innings? 15 innings. That is sum is equal to average into total number. We got this. This is the average and this is the total number of innings. That will be how much? 90. He scored 90 plus 14th inning sum. 14th inning sum. Right? So 14th inning sum means it will be how much? Yes? Tell me. So X plus 2 into 15 is equal to 90 plus 14th inning sum will be average is X and 14 innings. So 14 into X. 14th inning sum, average into total number. Right? So you multiply with these two all in the, what we have to do? We have to multiply inside. Isn't it? In the bracket. So 15x here plus 15 to the 30 is equal to 90 plus 14x. So 14 if you take this side and 30 if you take this side, plus will become minus. So 15x minus 14x is equal to 90 minus how much? 30 will become that side. 30. Okay. So that will be x is equal to how much? 90 plus 30? 60. So that is the x is the average. X is the what? Average till 14th. Average of 14th. That is the x is 60. So what they are asking? Average after 15th inning. So after 15th will be what? that is x plus 2, that is 60 plus 2 means 62 answer. Understand? Yes? Okay. So students, here next question, that is what? 33. 14 kg and 7 hectogram and 80 gram into gram. 14 kg into gram. Kilo means that is 1000, we have to multiply. 14,000 it will be. Hectogram means, hecto means 100. So 7 into 100. 700. And 80 gram, 80 gram. So if you add all, it will be 14,780. 14,780 means which option? Option D na? Very easy. Okay. Now convert 50 kilometer to meter per second. Kilometer to meter per second. How do we do? 5 by 18 we have to multiply. So now 18 and 50 will come in two table. 2 9s are 2 25s are. What is remaining? 25 into 5. 25 into 5 is how much? Divided by 9 is there. So 25 5s are how much? 125 by 9. Isn't it? Yes? Option A. Now find out the unit digit of the product. Here 1 is there, here 5 5s means 25. 25 means it will be 5 only. 36 and 3. You multiply the unit digit. 1 5s 5. 5 6 30. 30 will come. Now you take 0 only. 0 3s 0 only. Answer will be 0. Okay na? You take only unit digit and multiply. That's more than enough to find the unit digit. Got it? Now next question is what? 36 question. So it is the number of square tiles of side 18 centimeter required for flooring room size of this. This is centimeter and this is in meter. We have to convert it into centimeter only. So I know, I told you, how do you find number of tiles? How do you find number of tiles? That is room area divided by tile area. So room area is, that is 324, that is 3.24 meter means 324 meter centimeter into, because this is in centimeter, we have to convert this into centimeter. Okay, isn't it? Next here 16, 1.6 meter means 160 centimeter. Okay, isn't it? So 160 divided by area of square tile, side into side, that is 18 into 18, length into length, you divide with 18 into 18. Now 18 18 is how much? 324. Or you want to divide, you divide it. 18 2s are 36, 18 1s are 18, we have to take. How much will be remaining? Yes, 14, it will become 144. 18 8s are, now again 18 1s are 18, 18 18s are, 18 square is how much? 324. So it will cancel 160 tiles. How many tiles will be required? 160, because 160 is remaining here. Okay, understood? Good. So here what is the next question? That is 37th question, right? So find the length of the longest rod that can be placed in a room 8 meter long, 7 meter broad and 6 meter height. That means it is a what? It is a cuboid. In that, which will be the longest? The side will not be. So from the corners, from this corner to this corner, that will be diagonal. If you see in the room, from top bottom of this side to top of that side, it will be the longest side, isn't it? That will be the longest is the diagonal. In the diagonal, if you want to find, same Pythagoras theorem you have to use. So diagonal will be Pythagoras theorem, right? What will be the Pythagoras theorem? That is under root of length square plus breadth square plus height square, right? So length is how much? 8 square plus breadth is how much? 7 square plus 6 square. So 8 square is 64. 64 plus how much? 70. 7 square is 49 plus 6 square is 36. If you add all, 4 plus 9, 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 149 will come. Under root of how much? 149 is the answer, option C. Got it? That will be the diagonal. Understand? If you take this like this square, this is the diagonal. In that also room, the top and the bottom corner, right, of the opposite faces. Understand? Okay now? Okay, good. So here if you see the next question, that is what? Yes, 38. Okay. AB is this, BC is this, then ABC. I told you A is to B, which is same, we have to write it in the middle, is equal to A is to B is 3 is to 4 and B is to C is 7 is to 8, which is same, we have to write it in the middle. How do we multiply? Cross, like this. So 3 into 7 is to 4 into 7 is to how much? 4 is to 8. 7 is to 4 or 4 is 7 is to 8. 4 if you write, both are same. So it will be how much? 7 3 is 21 is to 28 is to 32. Answer is 20 is to 38. 28 is to how much? 32. Answer option E. Got it? 39. Ratio between 50 seconds and ratio means divide it, right? You have to divide 50 seconds divided by how much? Yes, 3.5 hour. We have to make both into seconds. 3.5 hours means 3.5 hour into 3600, right? Directly I am taking. It will be how much? 1 0 here, 1 0 here, cancel. For this 1 0, this point will shift. So it will be 5 divided by how much? 35 into 36. So 5 7s are 35. 7 into 36. 1 divided by 7 into 36 means how much? 7 6 are how much? 42. 2 will come in the unit digit. 2 will come in, which is the option C. 2 is the unit digit, right? Understand? So option B is the answer. Now 40 here. Try to eliminate and do it. So if the cost, if a basket of 80 mangoes cost 320, then the cost of 65 mangoes. A basket of 80 mangoes. 80 mangoes is how much? 320 rupees. Now 60 mangoes. How many? 60 mangoes will be how much? Cross multiply na? That is 65. Yes. So 320 into 65 divided by 80. 0 0. 8 4s are 32. 4 into 65. It will be how much? 260. That is option A here. Okay. Now 41. Selling price of an article is 3 by 2 of its cost price. What is the profit percentage? Selling price is how much? 3 by 2 times of cost price. 3 by 2 means 1 and 1 by 2 na. You write it in mixed fraction. 1 and 1 by 2 of cost price means how much? Half more 1 time plus half. 1 and half. 1 plus half. 1 time cost price plus half times. Or if you want to do profit is how much? Selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 1 and half of cost price minus cost price. 1 and half means it will be half remaining. 1 time it will be half. Profit is half. Profit is half means how much? 50%. Yes? Isn't it? Profit is half means that is 50%. Okay, half is 50%. Understand? Direct. Now 42. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. B alone can do it in 24 days. Then
Sir,
how
people
many
into
days?
days, people into days.
No, we can't do this. Together, when they give together, then we cannot do. When they
Oh,
do,
like that.
tell directly. 25 people, 36 days, like that if they do, then we can do that. We cannot do this. Okay, now? If you see, this is A, B can do work in 12 days. A and B. Now together they do it. So one day will be how much? 1 by 12. That is, if it is 12 pieces, there are 12 pieces. Consider. One day it will eat one piece. Then it will 12 days mean 12 piece completed. Right, cake? Like that. So 1 by 12. One day will be 1 by 12. One piece. One day. 12 days, 12 piece completed. Okay, na? That is the for A and B together. Now they are telling B alone. B alone will be how much? One day will be, that is directly you divide it. 24 is there, 1 by 24. Okay, na? One piece one day, 24 days, 24 piece complete. Okay, like that. So they are telling how many days will A do. So A means we have to minus it. A plus B minus B, if you do, you will get A's work, isn't it? If you remove A, B, so 1 by 12 minus 1 by 24 we have to do. B we have to minus. So if you minus, here we have to multiply with 2. 12 2s are 24. So it will be how much? 2 by 24 minus 1. So it will be 1 by 24. 1 by 24 means A's work will be 1 days is 1 by 24. So total how many days? Yes, 24. That is just reverse it, inverse it. So 24 by 1, that is 24. Understand? Got it? Okay. Write it down. So next here, that is 43rd question, right? So here 43rd, perimeter of two squares is given, 40 and 32. And then the difference of areas they are asking, right? Yes. So here square 1 and square 2 is there. So perimeter is 40 and 32. Okay, na? So now what it will be? Side will be 4 into, side is perimeter. So side will be 4 into how much? 4 into 10. So side will be 10 here. Okay, na? 4 tens are 40. Now here 32 means 4 8s are 32. So that is 32 by 4. 4. 4 8s are 32 means side will be 8. So area will be side into side or side square. 10 square 100. 10 tens are 100. 8 square 8 8s are 64. So difference they are asking. What they are asking? Difference. So difference will be 100 minus 64, 36. Got it? That is the answer. Now 44. Find the perimeter. Yes? Perimeter means, no, not much.
Are you
Tell me.
busy?
No, not much. Yes? 44, right? So how to do 44? That is very easy, direct. Perimeter means add all the side. But here this is 8 and this is 2. This 2 is this side. This 2 is where? This side. 8 is here. This. Okay, na? Don't be confused. So we have to add all, right? So if you add all, 4 is how many times? Only one time. Okay, 4 plus 8 is how many times? 2 times. 8 2s are 16. I am adding directly. 2 is how many times? 2 times. 2 2s are 4 plus, that is 5 is 2 times. 5 2s are 10. If you add all, perimeter is sum of all sides. So 4 plus 16, how much? 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 10,
34.
34 is answer, option A. Very easy, right? Okay. Now 45 should we go? Suresh has some hens. The sum of their legs is 80. He has also some goats. The sum of their legs is 40. What will be the total number of hens and goats? Hen will have how many eggs? Legs? Tell me. Yes? Two legs. Okay. So there are 80 hens. 80 legs means how many hens will be there?
82 sir, 160.
Arey, hero. 80 legs ಇದೆ. So half ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 80 by 2. So that is how many? 40 hens. Goats will be how many? Goats will have how many legs? 4 legs. So 40 are there. 40 means 4 tens are. right? 10 are there. So total how much? 10 plus 40 plus 10?
50.
50 are there total, right? To number of hens and goats. Understand? Yes? Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Very good. Easy, right? So here 46 question. Okay now? So 46 question, what is it? The difference between the place value of
Place value and place value, sir.
face value of 4. So 4 is which place? 46,000 means 40,000. So 40,000 minus face value of 4 is 4
4,
only.
4.
So if you minus 39,996 it will be.
96.
So it is option
C. C,
C.
sir.
Okay? Good.
Yes, sir.
Now here HCF. HCF will be, I told you, we have to take only what? Common. What we have to take? We have to take only common, which is there in both.
2
In
into
HCF,
3 into 5 into 7.
HCF.
Option A, sir.
Are 2 illama, 2 is not there, only 3 is there, and then only 7 is there, and 5 is also there, right? So 3 into 5 into 7, it should be there in both. HCF should be both. Okay na? So 3 5 7, option is
D. Option
D.
D.
Okay na? Now 48, what is the answer? Which one of the following is equal to 1? Or which will be? Huh? So should I do go directly? That
Yes,
is,
sir.
the answer will be option D. 8 sevens are 56. 5.6 it will be. Option D. You'll be able to do?
Sir, no.
A ಏನಿದೆ 0.8 into 7 divided by 10 into 5.6 ಮಾಡು. 8 sevens are 56 ಅಂದರೆ 5.6 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 0 ಇದೆ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 56 ಏಯ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಆಯಿತು. 5.6 56 ಏಯ್ 5.6 ಇದೆ ಇದು. 8 sevens are 56 ಬಟ್ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಂ 5.6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 0.1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 56 1 56 ಬಟ್ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, 0.1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಡಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? 0.8 ಇಂಟು 7.0 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1.0 ಇಂಟು 5.6. 7.0 ಅಂದರೆ 7, 1.0 ಅಂದರೆ 1. 0.8 ಇಂಟು 7 ಎಷ್ಟು? 8 sevens are 56. 5.6 1 ಇಂಟು 5.6 5.6 ಒನ್ಲಿ, ಇದು 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Okay, sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 49. This you divide it. First you have to divide. This both are same. Cancel. 2 into 1 will come. 3 by 4 ones are 3 by 4. 1 will come. Both are same means cancel. Like 4 divided by 4 is 1. Right, like that. 3 by 4 divided by 3 by 4 is 1. So 1 into 2. 1 into 2 will be 2 plus 3 by 2. So here take LCM. 2 will be answer. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 by 2 answer. Yes? Understood? Yes? Four plus 3 7. Okay na? 50 question. The given graph shows the amount of money Reena spent on her school canteen last week from Monday to Thursday. Then on Thursday Reena spent her money on 2 packets of sweet. How much did each packet cost? So on Thursday, where is Thursday? Here is the Thursday. So how much it is? Thursday, it is in middle. Middle means 60. After 60, 65 will come. Yes? And 70. In middle means 65 will be there. 60, 70, middle 65. 65 rupees is spent. That is Tuesday. Oh, that is Tuesday. Thursday is here. You are not telling also. You are all sleeping, I think. Yes?
No, sir.
Then I told Thursday. Then I marked Tuesday. You are not responding also. Huh? that is 70 rupees, right? So how many packets? 2 packets. 2 packets how much?
70.
70. One packet will be 35, yeah, half,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
35.
So 70 by 2, that is half, will be 35 rupees. So option is option C.
C.
Understood?
Yes.
Easy peasy. Okay, practice well because exams are near. You have to concentrate like a horse, right? How does horse run? He will have a no vision. You have to see only the question paper. Understand? I told you, no mobiles, nothing, no distractions. Is anyone seeing mobiles, playing games or anything? Yes? You go outside and play, but no mobiles, isn't it? Yes? So, will everyone do well, practice well? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Will everyone get selected? Yes? Very good. Yes, you should get selected. All the best for your exams. Okay? Practice well, and if any doubt, you should ask. Okay, na? Okay. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, then.
Yes, sir.
Do well.
Sir, do you
All the
make us
best.
read